Okay, for my Super Bowl commercial, I chose the Pepsi commercial. The Pepsi is more than okay. It's a 60-second commercial. With the attention, it grabbed your attention quick within like 5 seconds of the commercial starting. Uh, it's trying to, I don't know, interest you in drinking Pepsi, and it's more than just a second guess. It's more than just okay. It's actually a good drink. They're trying to convey a message that it's not just Pepsi, it's not just average, it's above the average, it's way more than okay. Uh, it was like a form of brand awareness. I agree with their communication process. I like how they use, famous celebrities to try to get their message off. Little John, Cardi B, Steve Carell, and the message you conveyed, it showed a lady just, buying them a drink. She's like, "Oh, do you have a Coke?" And the guy is like, "Is Pepsi okay?" Well, yeah, it's Pepsi. It's more than okay. So, uh, it's the knowledge that Pepsi is more than just a second choice type deal. So, and I don't know. I agree with how they did it. I like it. It was a good commercial.